Okay, here's another example in IronCAD from Too Tall Toby's practice models. This one's dated 9/5/24. This is a coupling model. Very simple. We have basically a two inch diameter hole here on each end, 3 millimeters apart, and then we have a cut here that's 2.25 from the ends and about 1 inch thickness wide. That goes on both sides here. So very simple model to do in IronCAD with our drag and drop features. So I'll just hop over there and show you how to do this. So again, we're going to use our drag and drop features. We're going to be in inch units here, so we can just simply drag and drop a cylinder out. This will be our first shape. So we know it has a diameter of 2, and we know it has a length of 2 as well. So that'll be our starting point. Next, I'm just going to drag and drop and extrude onto this face. And I'm going to use my handles to align this. And to do that, I can hold this handle and pull it and hold my shift key, and I'll get a highlight for the snapping of those points, or I can just hit the curve. It'll snap to the center either way. And I can do the same for this upper handle, but I'm going to do this by right-clicking on this one so it does symmetrical and highlight that top handle. Then I can simply just either pull the handles through or hit flip extrude, and I can just type in the 2 for that, or snap to the other end. We also know that this is going to be 3 inches to the other side for the other cylinder, so we're just going to go ahead and select this handle here. So again, so we select this handle here. I'll show you that it's already highlighted. It's giving you the value. You just type in 3 for that to do this. I'm just going to show you that you can highlight those handles to get those values inside of there. Okay, so that gives us our starting point for the next cylinder, where we can just drag and drop on the midpoint here. Again, type in 2, and we can just simply flip the extrude direction, and we get that one in the right place automatically. So that gives us our basic shape for this model. So next we can go ahead and add our holes to this. So we can do an extrude through cut. This is on my catalog here, this through cut cylinder, so it goes all the way through. I just need to type in the diameter for that, which is 1, and I can do the same thing for the top one here as well, and type in 1 for that. So you can see that those are going fully through the model for us automatically. Next, we're going to do these cuts, and we'll use that same cut or through cut, but this time it's going to be an extrude. So we'll drag and drop that on this center point here. And in this case, we know the width of this is 1, so I'm going to right click and drag that handle on the width, type in 1, and I can simply just snap these out here, again holding the shift key down, selecting those points. That will give me my outside edge. I can select the opposite handle, type in the 2.25 for that value. And then we can just repeat the same thing on the other one. Again, grabbing the through cut cylinder here, right click on these handles, type in 1, grab this handle here, again snap to our quadrant point, select the other handle, type in the other value to offset it the other direction, the 2.25. That's it. That's all you had to do to build this model. And if you go to the properties on this guy, so select our part, we have our properties of this guy, the mass density is 7,800, so it's going to give you 2.415 for this model. So again, very simple to do this model in IronCAD. No sketches are needed for this or anything. So we can just quickly do that, change some colors if we like to whatever we want inside of here, something like that. It looks good. And we got our purple part that we're using for this model. Hopefully you enjoyed, and we'll see you on the next one.